Friedrich Merz met on Monday in India's state of Gujarat for a bilateral meeting on a one-on-one basis and delegation level as well. The leaders took the ties between India and Germany forward in an unprecedented manner as the talks were held in Gandhinagar, where the two countries signed several agreements to enhance cooperation in defense, skill development, critical tech and minerals, renewable energy and more, with a list of as many as 27 outcomes.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi and German Chancellor Friedrich Merz held delegation-level talks in Gandhinagar on Monday. The two leaders discussed the entire gamut of bilateral relations between the two nations. They called for giving further momentum to ties to elevate the strategic partnership. Following the talks, both sides exchanged and adopted MOUs in the field of defense and security, trade and economy, critical and emerging technologies, science and technology, renewable energy, green hydrogen, among many others.
रक्षा और सुरक्षा में बढ़ता सहयोग हमारे आपसी भरोसे और साझी सोच का प्रतीक है। रक्षा व्यापार से जुड़ी प्राथमिकताओं को सरल बनाने के लिए मैं चांसलर मर्ज का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। हम रक्षा उद्योगों के बीच सहयोग बढ़ाने के लिए एक रोडमैप उस पर भी काम करेंगे, जिससे को डेवलपमेंट और को प्रोडक्शन के नए अवसर खुलेंगे।
Prime Minister Modi highlighted how India and Germany are expanding their cooperation in clean energy and secure resilient supply chains.
रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के क्षेत्र में भारत और जर्मनी की प्राथमिकताएं समान है। इसमें सहयोग को बढ़ाने के लिए हमने इंडिया जर्मनी सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस स्थापित करने का निर्णय लिया है। ये नॉलेज, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इनोवेशन का साझा मंच बनेगा। हम क्लाइमेट, एनर्जी, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट और अर्बन मोबिलिटी जैसे क्षेत्रों में मिलकर नई परियोजनाओं को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन में दोनों देशों की कंपनियों का नया मेगा प्रोजेक्ट भविष्य की ऊर्जा के लिए एक गेम चेंजर साबित होगा।
The German Chancellor spoke of India as a partner of choice in the context of expanding and strengthening his nation's relations beyond Europe and transatlantic.
India is a desired partner, a partner of choice for Germany, and the preconditions for a renewed and deepened and intensified partnership couldn't be more favorable. The highly dynamic India and the highly technological Germany, we share essential interests, and this is what we build upon.
The two leaders also held productive discussions with Indian and German business leaders at the CEO Forum in Ahmedabad. Chancellor Merz also suggested the European Union and India could finalize a free trade agreement as early as the end of this month, as presidents of European Commission and European Council are set to visit India towards the end of the month.
He laid particular emphasis on Germany's very strong support for the early conclusion of the India-EU FTA. As you are all aware, in another fortnight's time, the EC President and the European Council President both will be visiting New Delhi, where we hope to take these discussions forward towards a favorable conclusion.
The EU recently concluded a trade pact with South America's Mercosur after talks for 25 years. This has raised hopes for the finalization of its deal with India as well. Bureau Report, DD India.